Hi guys, today's book is I Know a Monkey. Let's read it together. I know a small monkey who comes to see me, a brown furry monkey, as cute as can be. There are many things that monkey can do, like baking a cake and building things too. He loves to dress up in a jumble of hats that he piles on his head, which scares off the cats. Try as I might, not a word does he say. My little friend Monkey just likes to play. Monkey is nimble and does lots of tricks, like balancing goats and juggling sticks. He makes me laugh, giggle, and squawk, but nothing I do can get him to talk. I don't really mind though, because it's such fun to play with a monkey until day is done. He can stand on his toes on the tip of a rake, make chocolate chip cookies, and keeps owls awake. Monkey is clever. He solves very hard sums. He loves to hear music and plays on the drums. Although my small monkey does not choose to speak, he is still my best friend at the end of the week. When evening falls and it's time to tuck in, I whisper, I love you, and snuggle with him. What a nice book about monkey. Thank you guys for reading with me. See you all next time.